This is the cake that I have prepared for my mom's birthday. Hey there everyone, welcome to today's video. We are going to make a very nice chocolate walnut cake. और हम लोग सिर्फ उसको ऐसे ही नहीं बना रहे हैं. It's for an occasion and the occasion is my mom's birthday. Yay! Happy birthday mommy. I generally follow the recipes. मुझे खुद की recipes नहीं आती हैं. उसके लिए I went on to Shivesh channel from Bake with Shivesh and he has some amazing recipes. बहुत सारी baking की recipes है, so you can check that out as well. और आज हम लोग उसी एक रेसिपी को फॉलो करने वाले हैं. आई कैन लिंक द वीडियो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर यू टू चेक एज वेल. और बस अब हम लोग शुरू करते हैं. सो आई अरेंज ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स राइट नाउ एंड देन वी विल गेट ऑन टू मेकिंग द केक. राइट, सो वी आर रेडी टू बिगिन मेकिंग द केक. सबसे पहले चाहिए मैदा या 1 कप. और सब कुछ सिफ्ट करना है, तो आई विल जस्ट कीप ऑन एडिंग 1 cup, then half cup, half. Okay, good. So there goes the maida. अब हम लोग को चाहिए 3/4 cup कोको पाउडर. So अभी गया half cup कोको and then we need 1/4 more. Now we need 1 cup and 1/4 cup of sugar. Now we need 1 teaspoon, right? Yeah. 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt. आइए Mr. Baking Soda. Teaspoon. And then we need half teaspoon of the soda. So soda, and I'll add a pinch of salt. And there goes the pinch of salt, like yes. So the dry ingredients are done. Okay, moving on to the wet ingredients. सब कुछ याद कर लेते हैं, then we'll add them one by one without stopping. So 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 cup yogurt and 1/4 cup milk. Okay, 3/4, 1 and 1/4. Good, let's do that. So there goes the 3/4 cup of oil. गिरना मत बस. Yeah, good. So there goes 1 cup of dahi and finally 1/4 cup of milk. Milk वहाँ रखा है, लेके आ रही. Yeah, got it. So 1/4. Now we have to mix all of this and then add the special walnuts. So it's mixed already. कोई भी lump नहीं रह गया है, and that is what we require. You can see it's a beautiful batter.
You like it? I like it.
I like it. थोड़ा सा sugar कम लग रहा है, ऐड कर दूँ क्या?
That is good. That is good.
That's good. Okay, fine. So now moving on to say hello पहले. Hi. Good. Okay, fine.
खट्टा.
Approved. हाँ तो भाई उसमें दही पड़ा है. Now we'll add some walnuts. और walnuts को शायद टोस्ट करना होता है, but who cares? ऐसे ही डालो. तुम फिर आ गए. और चाहिए? What do you want? Get lost. नहीं. भाग यहाँ से. कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, चले जाओ. Yeah, so our batter is done. Now all we have to do is we have to clean this mess also. Vanilla essence डालें क्या? Is it required? थोड़ा सा डाल लेते हैं. Okay. Although it was not mentioned in the recipe, but मैंने निकाला था तो मुझे डालना था. Smells so much nicer now. So I don't have a very proper baking dish for the microwave जो कि microwave safe हो. So we'll bake it in this bowl only. और इसको oil करना है तो I'll do that quickly. So this much oil should do. I think थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है, but चलो ठीक है, कम तो नहीं. Hand wash. We are oiling this bowl. Oh, okay, fine. Now we'll pour this batter, all of it goes in. Yes, yes, yes. I need one of those silicone spatula. Next baking video and I'll have it. Now this will go in the microwave और तब तक मैं इसको चाट के खत्म कर रही होंगी. जा रही हूँ 2 मिनट. Good. Thank you so much Shivesh for this recipe. I'll go now. और in the meantime we will clean this up first of all. उसके बाद हम लोग गनाश प्रिपेयर करेंगे. So cake is in the microwave और अब हम लोग को डबल बॉयलर मेथड से चॉकलेट गनाश बनाना है. तो चॉकलेट मेल्ट करनी होगी and I am using this basic Amul dark chocolate, 55% dark, and it's my favorite chocolate in the entire world. Well, I'm not sure about the entire world, but currently India में तो ये मेरी favorite है. The ratio that we'll be using is, मैंने freezer से नीचे निकाला, पहले निकालना था. Yeah, the ratio that we'll need is 1 part chocolate, 2 part cream. Okay, I think the boiler is hot enough. तो इन चॉकलेट पीसेस को we'll just roughly measure और ये half cup है. तो I think that this should do it. It's like almost half cup. इसको इसमें ऐड किया. I need a spoon. Yeah, I have a spoon handy. इसको थोड़ा सा स्टर करते रहेंगे जब वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा, जो कि अभी नहीं हो रहा है. You heard that? I think the cake is done. Should I check that? मैं इसको देखूं. Man, that's a tough decision. Okay, I'll take this down for a while. Sir, I'm hoping that you are done. Come. Yeah. Sit over here. This seems quite done. The chocolate is melted. So the chocolate is melted. We added half a cup of this chocolate. So I'll add like 3/4 cup तो डालना ही डालना है. If not 1. I'll see consistency के हिसाब से. I'll just go with the gut feeling. Okay. Yeah. There goes the half. Yeah, this is light and fluffy और मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे और कुछ ऐड करने की ज़रूरत है अभी इसमें. It's like feels good enough. और से शुगर ऐड करके लेके क्या? What do you suggest? वैसे रेसिपी में तो नहीं मेंशन था. Oops. I really can't tell the ratio, but this looks doable to me. और टेस्ट वाइज भी अच्छा है. थोड़ा सा डार्क ज़्यादा लग रहा है. I think little sugar can help. So I am going with that. मैं थोड़ा सा शुगर तो ऐड कर दूँगी इसमें. How happy am I to add so much sugar out of the recipe? लिखा भी नहीं हुआ था ये. अगर कुछ गलत हुआ ना तो इसी की वजह से होगा. और my cake could also burn. I should check that. It tastes so much better. It's so good. I swear, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I really don't know what happened here, but whatever happened, कुछ ठीक ही happened here. So I'll keep this in the fridge for the meantime. Cake पे डाउट हो रहा है आज. I hope सही से बन जाए. I'll see you in a bit. पूरा डिप किया मैंने, कहीं पे भी नहीं स्टिक हुआ, तो इसको थोड़ी देर ठंडा होने देंगे and then we'll get to the decoration bit. Now basically everything is done और final assembly time. So I'll do it directly on this tray and I hope it turns out fine. Now let's try. Okay. Done. Yay! Now the ganache. So इसको तो properly pipe भी किया जा सकता है, इसकी consistency इतनी अच्छी सी है अभी. But I'll just pour it like this and give it a rough crumb coat of sort of a thing. I hope that I'm able to pull that off. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so this is what I have achieved so far. Not the greatest job though, but अभी केक भी थोड़ा गर्म है तो गनाश पूरा उस पर पिघल रहा है. So that's a good thing. Set अच्छे से होगा. तो I'll let it cool also for a while. फिर नीचे से पूरा I'll clean it. And I like this uneven look, you know. It's like it's homemade. It's made by me. It should look like that. That I did it. So I am using some caramel popcorn to decorate this now. It looks so homemade and rustic. So far the cake looks like this. Popcorn का काम हो गया है, इसे हटाते हैं. And I am not sure if I want to add some chocolate. Let's see. अगर add करने से it adds some beauty. This and I'll need my chopping board. I have cut out some uneven pieces out of it. और कहाँ लगाऊँ इसको? And the big one over here. That's it. I am just going with this much. I won't overdo any of it. So this is the final cake and mom loved it. Like look wise, taste भी उनको पसंद आएगा. I'm sure of it. And I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Everything changes.